students. This is A students tutors. So today I want to just solve this simple fraction, which is 4 over 5 of 20. Now in board mass, of actually means multiplication. So if you want to solve this simple question, you just have to do something like this: 4 divided by 5 multiplied by 20 over 1. So 5 here 1, 5 in 20, you have 4. So you are left with 4 times 4 divided by 1. That is 16 over 1. Okay, so you are going to have 16. Now, and I used the denominator to divide the numerator here. Now, and that is why I said 20 divided by 5, which gives 4. So, and we only have 1 here, 1 here. So 4 times 4 is 16. 1 times 1 is 1. So the answer is 16. So 4 over 5 of 20 is 16. Thank you.